Buenos días a todos. You say, let's go!
1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Say, buenos días a todos. We're going to the beach and it's my first time to sit on the sand because yesterday Ting Ting was tired and you fell asleep, right? So supposedly kahapon siya sunset, but there were a lot of people and napagod na siya. So pinatulog muna namin tapos kami muna ni Daddy nag-date. And now it's Ting Ting's time to spend quality time in the sun, right?
Let's go find a space dun sa Balesin Sala.
Yay! Let's go! Say, are you ready? Sand, are you ready for Ting Ting?
It's low tide.
Daddy is wearing all green.
Green, it's flesh. It's
Is it
sand.
flash?
Color sand.
It's like, is it sand? And we're on pink?
The
Pink
color
is
of the
on
sand. So low tide.
low tide also. I'm not sure if she's gonna appreciate it or she's gonna be mad for bringing her 6 months na wala pa siyang malay. Let's come back na lang. I'll find a place. Yeah? Where do you want that?
Doon mo natin sa table.
Table
Ting
first.
Ting. You're here at Balesin Sala. We're gonna eat breakfast with your sipon.
Naya, natuloy siya. Someone's excited! Who's excited?
Ting Ting.
The sand is cool. Hold the sun. One, two. You have your shades for point of view. Wait. Wow! Are you happy? No, weirduhan pa siya. You have sipon.
First time experiencing sand.
How was the first sand experience thing?
At least hindi niya nilagay sa bibig.
Yeah. Hindi niya nilagay sa bibig pero it's all over her body. So hindi pa pwede. Nakakatakot mapunta sa eyes. Strict ang tatay.
Mas scratch yung face.
Yeah. Ganda dito. As you can see, wala masyadong tao. We're here in Balesin Sala. Sunrise dito. It's sunset. Most of the people here would come around mga 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So wala masyadong tao in the morning. Yung sunrise kasi saan ba? Sa may Mykonos. So it's on the other side of the island. Ito naman, andun yung Nusa Dua, the Sala, and then the fish fun, and then the main clubhouse. It's just walking distance lang. Every morning, low tide siya and wala masyadong tao. So maganda kapag dito kayo. So we were supposed to be having our breakfast sa may... Saan nga ba tayo dapat? Sa may Saint-Tropez. Pero we wanted Ting Ting kasi to experience the sun early in the morning. So you have to look at the view because when we go back to Manila, you won't have the horizon view na. It's all buildings na lang. You see, oh, it's so nice. It's so peaceful. Huh? What? What are you seeing?
Uli na din ako.
What are you seeing, love? Yeah, it's so nice, right? You see, it's so peaceful naman. Wow, it's so peaceful. Wala masyadong magandang beach near Metro Manila. Parang we realized yung pinakamaganda na was Batangas. Yun yung pinaka nearby the Metro. And then, yung view naman maganda sa Tagaytay. Pero ito kasi, like, you get a nice view. Tapos, yung privacy. Tapos, yung proximity to Manila, it's just 45 minutes ride. You don't cover the lens, love. You have to look at the lens, but don't cover the lens.
Ini.
Ay! Wala ko! Kaya na talaga.
Ay, talagang na-miss niyang kumain.
Dapat may infant food na dito, no?
Kaya siya nagwawala. Ay, nagwawala siya. Nagpupumiglas siya, sir. Nagpupumiglas. Nakita niya yung pagkain niya. Ito pala ako. Nasa balisin ako.
Oo. Tingnan daw natin.
Naglublob na ba to sa tubig?
Wala sa tubig, sa sand lang.
Sa saan? Yeah.
Gutom pero gusto karga. Ano yun? Gutom tapos?
Di
Antok.
tayo. Antok na to eh.
Oh, you sleep first.
Ay,
And then-
tingnan mo yun, oh.
What's
Ay,
that?
tayo dun. Tingnan mo. Kanina ba
Okay,
yun?
we have breakfast, corned beef, iced tea. What's yours? Tosilog?
Ganda ng
Tapsilog? Okay sa inyo to? ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Tapsi.
Tapsilog with like a derma. Like a derma.
Bakit may magganyan ng parod eh? Ang design may kadolo mo.
Like derma.
Nagwe-waste po kaya ta.
Nag, ano?
Pumayat nga ako. Pero eh.
Ako, wait po po.
Baka iba yung nakita yun.
Hindi po. Baka natin yung little boy.
Nagpe-play na po
Pero
siya.
loading pa rin.
Yes po. Morning.
Maganda sa ostrich. Ostrich?
Si Daddy talaga.
Ano to?
Kanina vitamin C.
Ano to? Umbrella? Ano to?
Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock and cockatoo.
What's the sound of the peacock? Ako ka.
Oh, dito na. Oh. Hindi, lagi sa ulo niya.
Hello! What is your name?
Atina.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
Baog. And that's not.
Video. Ilagay sa ano? Ipad ko.
Oh, look at this again. Oh.
Wow.
Ito yung ano eh. Ay.
Not afraid. Very good.
Ayan. Lumili.
Gusto sa ano, babae siguro yan. Gusto sa tatay eh.
Yan kasi may kaibigan.
Watch it now. Kilala talaga ni Sir Manny yung mga ano.
Tama sa naman yung pangalan
Yes
ko.
po.
Lala ko.
Oo.
Meron akong bulos ngayon sir. May heading ko lang pa kanina.
Nagulat siya.
Oh, one more.
One more.
One more. Eh.
Wow, very brave. Kaso gusto sa tatay.
Parang nga na-amaze siya.
What's that? What's that?
Practice pa na lang. Baka editor niya to ano to fly.
Wow.
Oh, it's a bird. Bird. It's a bird. Oh, hindi wala sa ano.
Wala lang siya, oh. Hindi ka naman nagsismile. May show emotions naman.
Yes, ah.
Mamaya yan niya ma-realize. What was that?
What's that? Bird.
Hey, look at the bird. Look at the bird.
natakot. It's okay.
Okay, thank you, kuya.
Kaya-
Hindi talaga sila lumilipad. Pinutulan ba?
Bumabalik naman sila, ma'am. Kaso nga lang, pag nakarating doon sa itas, may time kinukuha ng ko. Ginagawa nilang breakfast and dinner.
Wawa naman. Is one, two.
Ayan. Teka lang.
Eh, makiliti pala, kaya pala.
Padali, dito ka sa...
Yun no. Dapat yung malaki sa'yo, ma'am eh.
Nakakiliti pala siya, kaya kayo nagkakano.
Tintin! Hello! Namaya na.
Dapat kay ma'am yung malaki.
Okay lang. Babi ka.
Ayan, tumawa na ng konti. Ah.
Tati! Ay, ay!
Ay, isa.
Luhod si daddy, luhod.
Hi. What's your name? Hello. What's your name?
Ah, pawikan. Malaki.
You see the turtle now? Yeah, it's a turtle. Wow.
Nakagatin niya.
Ah, tutukain niya.
Ma'am, doon kayo ni Arasal.
Okay.
Para...
Ay, tutukain niya yung flower. At,
Ting Ting, look at the bird. Hello. Look at the bird.
ting, ting, ting.
Ting Ting, look at that.
Dapat si Ting Ting may ganyan din sa ulo eh. Maliit. Tinutukan na yung ulo ni Sira. Pero,
Sisirain mo yan. Tama na. Ayan, binigyan na ng mar...
It's time to go to San Tropez. Let's go! You say, let's go! So, we're now here sa... Where are we? San Tropez. And they're best known for their crepe.
Ganda ng tiles din. Oh, yellow.
We're going to eat
Ground
crepe.
floor.
So amazed talaga my baby, no? Hi! What's this? It's like in the condo, right?
naku, dami niya ng content, Ting Ting.
Yeah. Content is life. Ano yan? Are you happy? Ay! Bip, 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 bip. Saan yung bip po niya? Loud. You're so loud. Where are we? Where's that? Happy. You want milk? Ang saya niya. Paano na? So this is mango. This is lemon. Bread. Ting ting. Di ba pwede? So we're here in Leia's Spa. Let's see kung ano yung nagbago. Close to yung floor. Asa ang highlight?
Paspatin mamaya.
Magpaspas si Tintin!
Dito na gano'n naglakat si Heart.
Ah, dito?
Dito ba yun?
Ito yung wedding nila.
Nung wedding nila? Ay, dyan ba yun?
Ito mismo.
Dito ang reception nila.
Walk down the aisle.
Pero maganda. Eh di ang, mahal lang, nila dito, no? Gastos nila, no?
Tax natin yun.
Ay, oo nga, ma'am. Ngayon dito, oh.
Hmm. Nung hindi pa siya, ganun ka.
Hindi pa retokado yung itsura.
My plans!
Oh, antok na naman siya.
Ganyan.
Pa-aircon na tayo ulit.
Boy artista. Daming shooting. Just wanna drink milk and sleep. So we are in the sports center of Balestinan. Same.
Magbago kasi
Meron? How does it look like before ba?
may atit dito.
So, pwedeng indoor naman pala, Dad. We can play naman pala. Pero wala lang tao. So, may basketball. Yan. Pickleball to. Badminton. Tennis.
Pickleball na yun.
Pickleball. Wow. Wow. Gusto, pickleball? Pickleball? You want pickleball? Yeah.
Ay, nakakita na naman ng mirror.
Talaga gusto. Pagod na si Ate Win. Wow, naman. Walang tao. Sunday na Sunday. Ay, basta, tingnan mo yung anak mo.
Bakit? Basta lalaki, no?
Athena! It's time to go home. Isabela.
Hi to the camera.
Hi, camera! Ting! Yan, yan.
Let's walk there, mami. Going to the lap.
Yan, yan, yan. Yan. Ayan, ang ganda, oh.
We love
We're here at the fish pond.
fish fun.
We're sleepy again. Please.
Mommy is. You see your nose? It's. Yeah. And so you were the same, mommy.
You got mommy's rhinitis.
What? Sleep na, my baby? Sleepy na. Alam talaga niya pag Ate Win eh. Oh, sleep na. Naano siya sa hangin eh. Tulog na, antok din sa hangin.
Just enjoying the view.
It was so windy here, you remember?
I know, it's funny.
I could not go again.
Oh. Masaktan ako, maiyak ako.
Ito lang.
We're going swimming.
Careful. Ah, dito, mami. Here. Where's your slippers?
Andun sa may malapit. I forgot to get it.
Ingat ka kasi baka
Promise you're okay? Thought you were asleep, love. Yes, yes, yes.
tulog.
Pink one.
Pink one's yours pala. I'll get it. Let's go, mami.
I love you, my baby. You thought mom to was na kaya. Ako na. Let's go. Yes! Yan mga awake.
Yeah. Gusto ko makita face niya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Athena!
What's this?
It's called Ding Ding. Nalamigan siya.
Wow, baby, Athena.
First time!
First time?
Yeah.
First time, and then we're in the video. Chinatan sa...
Yay!
Yo!
Welcome to my
There's support.
vlog. Say,
Go, Athena.
yan stop element panic. Ay, talaga. Daddy, go with daddy. Yeah! 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 Yay! Yay! Yay!
Baby.
Wow.
Nagsama
Oh.
Yay!
You're having fun? Hanggang dito ka lang. Just don't poop.
diaper?
Ha?
The diaper, Noy.
Swimming.
Swimming diaper.
Oh, okay, swimming diaper. You look at the baby, oh. Float.
Magka months namin nakati ka na Melan, hindi ka na bride.
Same deal, ah. 7.
7, yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah, what do you mean?
See him in Everest? Kuya. Look at Kuya. Oh, that's Kuya.
So you're 6B.
Oh, you show your face. 6D, yes. Oh, 6D daw.
Oh, look at the sunset.
Ganda na, no? Ganda na ng sun, no?
Bale. Ayar, hindi masyado.
Open sila kundok.
Ako na, Tina.
Last night.
Having fun? Look at the sun, oh.
Gusto. Ay! Antok na. Our dinner painting inside our exterior tour. This is our villa. We're in Balasin 2 and it's very near the Lia Spa of our room. Di na namin nagamit yung jacuzzi nga eh. My baby, how's your Balasin trip? Do you enjoy? Did you enjoy, love? Yeah. Did you enjoy, langga? Yeah. Diyan na, munti ka na kayo mag-ano ha, mag-hotel sleepers ha.
Hindi naalala ko yung coats pa lang lagay ko doon sa maleta.
Okay na yan, yan na lang.
Saan isusot ko?
Hindi lang, marami na namang chineras ganun.
The situation. For the last time daw. 7:15 yung ano, check-in.